Matapos malaman ang resulta ng kanilang weekly task, si River tila lubhang naapektuhan sa nagawang pagkakamali.
Sobrang hirap ng task. Salamin pa lang ang dami, no?
Which are task please. Sorry. I feel like I let the whole team down. Feeling ko kasalanan ko, kuya. And I wanted to ask lang if there's another way na it's so unfair for them na nagkamali ako and I let the whole team down. Kasi we all worked so hard for this. I just feel so bad, kuya, na we were so close to perfect and two of those mistakes because of me.
Why are you being too hard on yourself?
I don't want to fail anybody and I just don't want people to suffer, kuya, because of my mistakes.
Sa labas ng aking bahay, may mga pagkakataon ba na you let other people down?
My brother, kuya, just not being there when he needed me the most. My brother was dealing with mental health issues. He just needed someone to talk to. I wasn't so aware of depression, anxiety. He was opening up to me and I remember that time I caught him and said, "Wait lang, I'll play basketball lang next few days." Or his last few days, kuya. And I feel like if I just talked to him, listened to him, understood him, he would be here right now, kuya. Kaya I don't want that to happen anymore, kuya. And I feel like I did. I let my other housemates down.
Don't dwell too much sa iisang pagkakamali. Marami ka pang matututunan, mararanasan dito sa bahay ko. That's all part of your growth, your journey, para mahubog ka to become a better person that all who will see this later on ay makikita ang pagbabago sa iyo. Pati na rin ang kuya mo.
Paglabas mula sa confession room, dinamayan ng housemates ang emosyonal na si River.
Really proud of you.
Maya-maya pa ay ipinatawag ni Kuya ang lahat para sa isa pang mahalagang anunsyo.
Dumating na ang takdang panahon para sa inyong nominasyon. Isang malaking pagbabago rin ang magaganap sa inyong magiging proseso para sa nominasyon na ito. Boboto kayo bilang duos at magbibigay ng nomination points sa mga duo at sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon. 3 points at 1 point ang ibibigay niyong mga bot. Ang boto para sa isang miyembro ng duo ay boto rin para sa kabilang miyembro.